You know easy to be wise, yo. Now they lead the strong man, yo. See as them they look, yo. All eyes on me like a two-pack, yo. I keep them Balenciaga, Richard Mille, a too bad, yo. I know they for your chit-chat, yo. Carry your matter, they go TikTok, yo. My gentle days on go, I know they look back, yo.
I always tell people, especially first-timers, when you come to UIU is whatever you make it. You can come here to party, you can come here to meet people who are also students, you can be on a business venture, you can find your significant other here. There's just so many opportunities here at UIU.
This will be my second time at UIU convention. I'm really drawn to people, I'm drawn to network, I'm drawn to making friends. I really enjoy it, that's why I'm here.
I came back because the excitement, the thrill to be able to build connections and meet all types of different Nigerian people. I am not Igbo, Yoruba actually.
Every convention I think gives you different things, but everyone just builds upon the last. The first time I came, I was brand new, didn't know anyone. Second time I recognized faces, but the third time I actually not just recognized faces, but I'd connected with people that I'd met in the first two conventions, so it was more in-depth.
So far I've ran into a lot of people I've known already that I've met through UIU. I've met so many people. I've made longtime friends, colleagues through UIU.
I think all of us at UIU have the commonality that we're all Nigerians living outside of Nigeria right now. And we use this convention as our way to connect, to feel at home, to say things and say words and do things that in spaces in America that we don't get the chance to do because no one else can relate.
It gives you the opportunity to learn about your history. Where you watch a documentary on the first day and you learn what people have done in the past, what we are doing now that you're aware of, and what can happen in the future. I think it's amazing that they incorporate UIU Cares. I think it's awesome, the communities that they reach out to, the things that they've done.
We are very talented and resourceful people, and we're spread out across the diaspora. So taking those resources and helping bring that back home to Nigeria, I think is a great thing, especially with UIU Cares. We can help those back at home get to a place where they can have those resources, have those tools they need to succeed.
Yes.